Good morning, boys and girls. So we are still working with South African money and having a look at how we break up amounts. And I have asked you on our home program to set this up in your maths book. So your yellow book with the beautiful fish that you made at the beginning of the year on its cover. So you can go to the next clean page. I've just done it on a whiteboard, and you can use your crayons and your ruler, and you can make 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try and get them to be kind of equal and not have one very fat one and then 4 very thin ones. Try and get them just about the same size. And then I've asked you to write these amounts on the side. So 10 Rand, 5 Rand, 20 Rand, 9 Rand, and 30 Rand. And then this is what we've been doing the whole week. You are going to make 10 Rand. You don't have a 10 Rand note or a 5 Rand coin or a 20 Rand note, but you've got these 2 coins in your hand with South African money to make 10 Rand. And then 3 coins to make 5 Rand, a note, and 2 coins to make 20 Rand, 3 coins to make 9 Rand, and 2 coins and 2 notes to make 30 Rand. But remembering all the time that these need to be South African money. And now what I've asked you to do, and I hope that you enjoy it, you're going to have a look at home. I'm sure you've all got some of this. This we call junk mail. And you can pick it up. Sometimes they put it in your shopping bags at Spar or at Food Lovers Market. It's their adverts that they try and make you buy. So I don't think they would like us calling it junk mail, but it is because it starts piling up in your house and it normally only lasts a week. So I've taken this one out of our local paper and it's for Pick n Pay. There's the big Pick n Pay sign, and our local paper is called the Roodepoort Record. And then it's got all adverts in it. So what I did, I had a look, and now you need to cut out any pictures that you like. So on this page, maybe you could cut out a can of beans or some Coke, or maybe some, just let me get it so that you can see it, some custard or some baby food, anything that you like. But I'm just going to show you one example of things that I have cut out from here to do the first one. So I've cut out some lovely white hake that I could maybe cook. And in the picture, the advert, it's got a nice piece of fresh lemon to squeeze on. So I wouldn't have to pick that lemon off my tree that I'm showing you this week, and some herbs once it's cooked. And then I've cut out this loaf of bread, but I need to stick that by the other coin. And it doesn't fit in that way. It's going to go over my page. So I'm going to stick that in sideways. So you can cut off the picture and make it very small to fit in your maths book. And then you're going to do that for all of the coins. So I know that it's very cheap to say maybe that I'm going to get fish for 2 Rand and bread for 1 Rand or whatever, but it doesn't matter. What we're going to do is you're going to practice your cutting nicely and your pasting and setting your work out neatly, and then you're going to work out the correct money, South African money in your hand that you would have to pay this amount for the things that you've chosen to buy. So you can buy anything. You can maybe get appliances from Macro, or maybe some PlayStation games or TVs or cell phones or toys or anything that you like. It doesn't have to be groceries. And if it is groceries, maybe it's things that you like. Maybe you want to buy crisps or sweets. It's your shopping list. You can do whatever you like. But you're going to cut them out nicely and paste them that we've got no curly bits sticking up and that they're all stuck beautifully and flat. And then you're going to work out what coins you have or what money you have to make up that amount. So I'm going to do some of them with you and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So if I have 2 coins for 10 Rand, I would have a 5 Rand coin. So my fish would be 5 Rand and my bread would be 5 Rand. And then I will find maybe some yogurt for this one, some cold drink for this one, and maybe a packet of crisps for this one. And I've got to have 3 coins for 5 Rand. So I will have 1 Rand and 2 Rand and 2 Rand. We've done this one quite a lot this week. 2, 4, 5 Rand. Okay, so I'm going to do one with a note and then I'm going to let you do these on your own. So 20 Rand. What paper money could we have with 20 Rand? Our smallest note is 10 Rand and then our next one is 20 Rand. So it can't be 20 Rand because if I make that 20 Rand, then I wouldn't be able to use those 2. So it will have to be a 10 Rand. And what's 10 take away 20? 20 take away 10 is 10 Rand. So that's the same as that one. What 2 coins make 10 Rand? Yes, we did it there. So it's 5 Rand and 5 Rand. And then maybe I've got a picture of a cell phone here and a Barbie over here and a packet of biscuits. Doesn't matter if it's really cheap. It's just for you to do this exercise and make sure that your money adds up to these amounts on the side and that you've presented it neatly in your maths book. Right, have fun doing this. And remember, if you use in your glue, when you finish, that you must hear it click, otherwise it's going to dry out. And also, all the bits of paper that you have cut out and snipped away, that you make sure that they get thrown away and they're not just left lying around messing up the dining room table or your bedroom or wherever you do your home learning. Right, enjoy this activity. I hope that you're going to have fun.